Hello everyone, this is Prusa build number 4 of how to build the Prusa. Just want to show you what I've done. Went ahead and mounted the Y-axis carriage. All the little wire ties are in now, bearings are in, rods are in, clamped. Everything is tightened down on the clamps to hold the Y-axis, and the belt's in, and the little tensioner right here, you go underneath right here in this hole and you turn that bolt. You can barely see the bolt head right there. Anyway, it applies tension to that belt. So that part's done. I'll still need to take the heat bed off to be able to hook up the electronics or the electrical to it. Okay, I went ahead and finished this. As you can see, the knob is on now, and I don't know if you can see this real well, but this aluminum piece in here I turned down on my lathe and put a spring inside of it, so it holds tension very well now, and it doesn't move unless you turn the knob. So that's for the opto stop on the Z-axis, and I still have to put all that together yet. All this is the Z-axis and X ends, which I have not mounted in yet, but everything's pretty much ready to go now. The belt is on, and the tensioner, the same deal. Bolt right here you tighten, puts pressure against the belt, and it tightens it up. So I have the motor mounted now, and the pulley, everything's set up on it. So that much is done. What's holding me up now is I still need to get the springs to put in here on both ends, the X ends, to be able to put the rest of it together. I'm going to flip this up a little bit, show you the rest of it. Okay, so I have the Z-axis motor mounted with the coupling. One end is tight. Same on the right side, Z-axis motor, coupling, and it's tight. The smooth rods are just stuck in there for now, and the all thread actually would go up inside the coupling like that, but this would be in there first. Sort of hard to do with one hand. So it would be close to there like that, and it of course be bolted to the smooth rod. And then your bearings would go on the bottom here, and then a nut on the bottom, washer and nut, and so you would slide the rod up, not all the way into the coupling. You want to leave a little gap between the motor shaft and the all thread rod, probably about 3/8 of an inch. That will let the coupling flex, and that's what you want. So of course the smooth rod will go down in this hole on this side. Then you would tighten the clamps on both of these. But of course, the Z-axis would be in there. So the springs is what I have to get to be able to put all that back together. So it's just about ready. And like I said, if you have any questions, just post it on my YouTube channel, and I'll answer you as best I can. Show you what it looks like. I still have to make the plastic triangular piece to mount everything to, all the electronics and the power supply. So I'll show you that one more time over here. So here's the plastic piece I'm talking about. Mount this on the longer rods, and then you have a place to put everything. And as you can see what I'm talking about on the Z-axis, all thread, and the smooth rod, there's actually a spring in here underneath this nut. This white heat shrink tubing is actually taking the slop up between the nut and the plastic, and it also serves to keep dust out of the threads when it's being screwed up and down with the motor. So it keeps the nut clean, and also you noticed it's greased, and you want to do that as well. You want to grease that all thread, and the same way with that one. So we're almost there, putting everything together, but we have some squaring up to do, and mounting, of course, all the electronics, power supply, and then hooking everything up. So it's coming along. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.